Hi, I'm Jaime and this is Jaime's Kitchen. I'm back. This is going to be video number 3. What I'm making now is ceviche. Now, I prepped a lot of the food so I don't waste time. You don't want to see me cutting. So I'm going to show you what the food looks like when it's cut. This is cilantro. This is about as much as I use. These, a lot of people throw these away. This flavors food, it flavors rice, it flavors a lot of stewed beans. Don't throw these away. These are excellent for flavoring. I cut up a bunch of avocados. This is what it looks like. This is how I cut it just to show you guys. Leave it there, the cat will get it. Anyway, you be careful because some of the skins are so soft you can actually cut right through. You have to do this with kid gloves, hardly feeling the bottom. And you take something rounded, spoon is your best instrument, and it just all comes out in those little square pieces that you cut. And then they fall all over the place because I didn't get a big enough cup. So even I am learning as I'm cooking stuff I've been cooking for years. Yeah, leave it there. I don't waste nut, so I'll take the rest, get rid of this little tiny seed, you don't need it. Unlike the other video, I'm going to try and wash my hands this time. But not too much. Now, the ceviche, what we use is the clamato. I bought 2 because a lot of times 1 is not enough since I'm making an awful lot, so you use a portion of another one. I like, since we're using tilapia and pan back this way, shrimp, let me get a spoon here. What I do is I boil the shrimp with an onion. That's why it smells so good in here right now. And I boil the tilapia here. Now, let's go down to the tilapia. This is the tilapia. I also add fish sauce because I like things fishy. No jokes. Anyway. These are ceramic tiles, which I find quite difficult to use. I should have looked more for one of the rubber ones or plastic ones. But try to cut these tilapia pieces into bite size. I dropped one. I will wash it. I don't waste food. There are starving people in the world. Take this and boil it also with the other tilapias on the bottom. This don't need much boiling. Matter of fact, it probably has enough heat to cook what's left in there. Turn that off. That's definitely done. Oh yeah, it's already off. Now, I'm picking this up because I'm the type to slip on it. I'll be roller skating all over the house. Now, this is all the onions I chopped. I minced them. Pour it in here. We did the same thing with the cilantro. This last, because when you stir avocado, they tend to break in pieces. This is what they call imitation crab. It's not real crab, it's actually egg white product. Find me a spoon. Spoons are where? Here? Mm-hmm. Big spoons.
Oh, over there.
This is going to be mixed, but it's easier to mix it when there's already all the liquids in it. But let me just pre-mix. Now, as I stated before, I like putting fish sauce because I like fishy stuff to taste fishy. This is orange juice. I throw, this is a 16 ounce. I put in about 5 ounces. This is the clamato. I'll pour this whole entire thing in here. And as you can well see, I'm going to need another one. Let me finish. Actually, this is a gift. You guys finish that off. To make my little sauce thicker, this is just regular tomato sauce. This is a 4-ounce can. I add some. Put the rest in there so I don't spill it and make a mess. Mix. Now what does all the cooking, you know that lemons and vinegar cooks meat. I'm going to remove this piece of seed. And no, this is not a shoehorn. It's supposed to be a tool for unskinning or skinning avocados. Spoon actually works better. Now these are how I use one of these squeezy things for the lemons. And see how simple? These are all the lemons I've used. Those already been squeezed. This is actually a small one. Get yourself a bigger one. Get yourself all kinds because you're going to be doing all kinds of cooking.
What?
Okay, don't question my cooking. Anyway, you get this in your eye, stings a little bit, but it cleans. Don't worry about it. You will live. Same thing with vinegar. Now, pour this in here. I'm only pouring enough where I can still mix things without making too much of a mess. See, I actually need a bigger bowl. This is party size actually, but if I have to, I'll separate them.
I have the.
You have a bigger one? Mm-hmm. Okay, you could pan down and see what I'm doing.
That red one.
This big red. Oh yeah. Now the trick, trying to figure out how to get all of that in here. Let me see. I'll get some of it pre-started. This is called poor planning. I cook without measurements. I usually don't cook for that much, but there's a party tomorrow, so this is being made for that party. So there'll be plenty for the party and enough for us to munch on today. It's not much bigger, but it is big enough to at least accommodate all the other ingredients, especially the fishes. Fishy. The fishes? There's no such word as fishes. The fish. Excuse the cleaning, I have a habit of cleaning. Now we take a little bit extra clamato, because it should kind of surface and look neat like that. The pan here is, we have a bit of salt.
Right here, the white.
Oh, geez. Oh, I was looking for something big.
That's salt.
That's salt? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I don't feel like using that grinder. Last time my shoulders got so big, I couldn't put my shirt on. Now, close things only because if you do leave things open, you have a habit of walking and boom, walking into them. Not fun. Put this back because I'm not going to use it anymore. Now the meats. We have a strainer? Mm-hmm.
down.
It's down here.
There.
The last time I think I broke a bunch of stuff. Oh, here it goes. Sheesh. All right. Now, when you pour this, try not to burn your hand like I just did. You have scissors?
Yeah.
I looked, I couldn't find them. Anywhere. How many minutes?
10.
Oh, good, okay. All right, I don't have scissors. So what I'm gonna do is take the onion out later. I'll actually eat that myself. It's pretty good. I'm gonna use the extra lemon without, oops, put a seed in there. Just swallow it. It's a rumor, you're not gonna grow a tree in you. Now, you want these at least bite size, because if they're not, you're taking a big chunk every time you dip, because this is supposed to be dipped with the chips. Now the tilapia I did pre-cut to bite size. It's very small enough. Throw the avocados in. I think there's not going to be much mixing. So these onions in. Now remember, these onions, avocados, everything that's in there is going to be cooked by the lemon juice. Enough for the party?
Oh, yeah.
Now this, once it's done, you don't eat it right away. You let it sit for 2 hours and let the lemon do its work and cook. Now, the tilapia, I'm going to strain that. This time I didn't burn myself. These onions, I love onions. Now, this is the tilapia. Now remember, this is a party meal. You're not going to make this for an evening's dinner or dessert. This will last you a week and a half for a regular family of 12. I'm talking about Hispanic families. Uh-oh. I'm going to get hate mail. Okay, well, the only thing left, I prefer not using one of these because it takes a year and a day, but a lot of pepper is required for this to have that tingly effect on your tongue. So I'm going to end this video. Picture me turning this for like a couple of days so I get enough pepper and pan down to the ceviche. This is ceviche, and let it cook 2 hours. And I say cook means natural cooking with the lemon, and then you're ready to serve. Now that amount of pepper, I put 10 times the amount because I like it tingly, but you could put 5. Then you adjust it to your own taste. Okay, I'm signing off, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. I plan on doing much more videos on all different types of cooking and different meals. Okay? Bye.